Nature, in its vast complexity, offers countless wonders and intriguing facts that continue to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Here are 5 fun facts about nature that highlight its beauty and strangeness. Firstly, did you know that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way? While it is estimated that our galaxy contains about 100 to 400 billion stars, Earth boasts approximately 3 trillion trees. This staggering number underscores the importance of forests and their contribution to life on our planet. Secondly, the Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the world's largest living structure. Stretching over 1,400 miles, it is so expansive that it can be seen from outer space. The reef is home to an astonishing diversity of marine life, making it one of the most complex ecosystems on Earth. Thirdly, the Amazon rainforest produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen.